What if full face rejuvenation could enhance natural beauty for Latin skin types, looking younger without looking different? Take a look at this 60-year-old Latina patient 6 months after my Plasma Lift Ultra, a Renuvion brow lift, upper and lower blepharoplasty, deep plane face and neck lift, fat grafting, and NeoGen plasma resurfacing. The transformation is striking. Skin quality, uneven skin tone is corrected. Puffy and hanging skin, lots cleaned up with the shrink wrap effect from plasma, enhancing contours beyond a facelift alone. Natural results, pretty but not overdone, showcasing her best self, looking younger, not different. This highlights advanced care for diverse skin types. I'd welcome the opportunity to explore how we can address your needs.